What if I told you this channel started with 0 subscribers and now pulls over 1 million views? No face, no camera, no personal brand. Another channel uploaded just 5 videos, and one of them crossed 2 million views. Same niche, different styles, same result. Watch this for 5 minutes, and you'll understand how faceless finance channels go from 0 subscribers to millions of views, without showing their face, without a camera, and without a personal brand. In our last video, many of you asked the same questions. How are finance channels blowing up so quickly? How are they getting so many views? And how are they doing it without ever showing their face? So we paid attention. This video exists because of your comments. On this channel, we break down what's actually working, not theories, not hype. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to Chase Profit. We share practical, realistic ways to make money online. No fake promises. Most people believe finance is impossible to break into. They say, big creators already dominate. The niche is saturated. You need years of experience. And yes, finance is competitive. But here's what most people completely miss. Finance is also one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. Advertisers spend serious money here. The problem isn't competition. The problem is how finance is explained. If this is already making sense, hit the like button. It helps more than you think. The fastest growing finance channels don't teach like professors. They simplify. They use simple cartoons, clean animations, fun characters, story-based explanations in plain English. They take confusing money topics and explain them so anyone can understand. When people understand, they watch longer. When watch time goes up, YouTube pushes the video harder. That's the real growth engine. Another big myth is, you need a personal brand to succeed on YouTube. But look at these channels closely. No face, no brand, no existing audience. Some of them started weeks ago and already have multiple viral videos. Even more important, most of them are already monetized. This works because YouTube rewards clarity and retention, not personality. The formats performing best: crayon capital style videos, monkey economics style storytelling, casual finance, and casual economics. Very few creators are executing these formats correctly, which means the opportunity is still wide open. Most people don't fail because of editing or voiceovers, they fail because they choose boring topics. Virality always starts with the idea, not the video. Method 1. Competitor research. Go to YouTube. Search finance. Open any channel, big or small. Find videos that outperform the rest. Write those topics down. Patterns equals proven viral ideas. Method 2. Trend jacking. Use attention that already exists. Big companies, powerful countries, celebrities, global events. Example, how Amazon took over the world. Wall Street scams. Explain like you're 5. You're not creating demand, you're borrowing attention. Don't copy videos exactly. Instead, keep the format, change the topic, change the angle. Example, instead of Wall Street scams explained like you're 5, create how countries go bankrupt explained like you're 5. Same style, new idea, 0 risk. To speed everything up, use ChatGPT for ideas. Use Claude AI for long scripts. Use Google AI Studio for voiceovers. Clean audio with Adobe Podcast Enhancer. Create visuals with ChatGPT plus Google Whisk. Edit everything in CapCut. Focus on strong first 30 to 60 seconds. Video clips before images. Clean captions and soft background music. Now you have a professional faceless finance system. This is exactly how faceless finance channels go viral so fast. No camera, no face reveal. Just a smart, repeatable system. If you're serious about building a profitable YouTube channel in 2026, this is one of the best opportunities right now. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe to Chase Profit, Build Smart.